In this video, I will show you how you can record the screen on your Samsung Galaxy S26, S26 Plus, or the S26 Ultra. Now to do that, first of all, just swipe down from the top right of the screen and open the Control Center. In the Control Center, just look for the screen recorder icon. If you cannot find the screen recorder option in the Control Center, then just tap on the Edit button, which looks like a pencil, then tap on Add a Control. Now over here, just scroll down and look for the screen recorder icon. Now since the screen recorder icon is already available in the Control Center, so it is grayed out over here. Now just to show you the process, just tap on the screen recorder icon to add it to the Control Center, then tap on Done. And after you do that, you'll add the screen recorder icon to the Control Center. Now to start screen recording, just tap on the screen recorder icon, and over here just select how you want to record the screen. If you want to record the full screen, just select full screen, but if you want to record a specific part of the screen, just select partial screen. Now select full screen. Now under audio to record, you can either select none and it will not record any audio in your screen recordings, but you can also select media, and if you select this option, you will record the media sound while you're screen recording. Then finally, you have the option for media and mic. And by selecting this option, not only you will record the media sound while you're screen recording, but you will also record your sound from the microphone of your smartphone. Now if you want to show the taps and touches, just enable this toggle, and once you have configured the screen recording to however you want, then tap on Start Recording. Now once this countdown ends, you will start screen recording on your Samsung phone, just like that. Now once you're done screen recording, just tap on the square icon over here to stop recording. As you can see, the recording has been saved. Now to find the screen recording, just open the Gallery app, and as you can see, this is the screen recording which we have recorded. Just like that. And this is it. Make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. Thank you for watching.